In this video, we are going to show you how to create multiple Shopify stores. So once you've logged into your Shopify account, what you want to do is we're not going to look to the left-hand menu here. We're going to look up on the upper right corner. So this is going to be your name or your store's name. Click on it and a small pop-up will appear. Here, what you want to do is click on all stores, right? So do this right now, like so. It's going to open a new tab. In a new tab, you're going to have an option to open your store again, which it's just going to bring you back here, or click create a store. So this is what we want to do. So click create store, like so. Once it's loaded up, all you want to do is click skip. And here you're pretty much going to start a new store, just like when you started your first store when you opened your Shopify account. So click on online store, click next. So business idea, there you go. So just go through this just like any other Shopify store. So we're gonna go through this right now. Click finish. And there you go. It says all set. So you're going to be brought here. It says second store, right? So again, if you want to see both stores, click on the upper right corner again, like so. And you're going to see all stores again. So click all stores. Same thing, a new pop-up will appear. And here you're going to see both of your stores, right? So this is our first store and this is our second store. So it's that easy. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.